Local 12, the Weather Authority. This is meteorologist Caroline Cohen's hour-by-hour forecast.
No rain in sight for at least a little bit longer. If you have been itching to get out to the yard, now would be a good time to maybe mow. You could do that tomorrow. You could do it Thursday. Friday morning, you may even get that go-ahead. It's not until the afternoon and the evening that our next front arrives, and that brings in our next round of rain and storms. We're going to see a little bit of activity hanging on through those early Saturday morning hours and then drying out. I want to time things out for you. Here's a look at what you could expect. Friday, I would not cancel our plans quite yet. What I would do, though, is be prepared to maybe shift some things inside, especially if you had any outdoor activities. Again, afternoon, evening, right around dinner time. You can see this moves in 6, 7 o'clock. We start to see it in our Indiana counties. It swings across the tri-state through those early Saturday morning hours. Hopefully y'all are still asleep at this point. Third shifters, though, you may run into a little bit of precipitation before that 6 a.m. hour. By daybreak into the mid-morning, we're looking relatively quiet. You're going to hold on to some cloud cover, and then once that clears out, high pressure returns, and it sets us up for a fantastic, very fall-like weekend. Right now, things are looking good. Our temps are right around 79 degrees, so we're shy of where we should be. We should be closer to about 83, 84 into early September. Technically, it's still summer, so if you're hoping for more summer heat, don't worry. I have more of that in the 7-day, but for now, we're feeling a little bit more like fall. Mostly cloudy skies, no precipitation quite yet, and winds have certainly slowed from where they were the past 24 hours. We are less than 10 miles per hour, and we'll keep slow winds moving into the overnight. Temperatures are going to start to warm a little bit tomorrow. With that, you'll also notice that tonight's overnight lows not getting as chilly as where we've been the past few nights. So tonight we sink into the 50s, but only about 58 degrees. We're going to pair that with a little bit of cloud cover. Still very quiet and dry, but I would advise you to grab that light jacket, that sweater, as you're heading out the door for tomorrow. The one difference with tomorrow morning, you're not going to see as much sunshine. So the past 2 days, we've had a lot of sunshine right off the bat. Even though we've been paired with the breeze, it's helped to warm us up. Tomorrow, it looks like the clouds are being a little bit stubborn. Looks like we're going to hold on to them for a little bit longer. And then by the afternoon, we will start to see a mix of sunshine and clouds. Temperatures, as I mentioned, slightly warmer. We hit 80s by 1 o'clock. Reminder, that's where we've been pretty much all week long. So we certainly are feeling a little bit toastier as we gear up for those mid-80s. Technically, we're a few degrees above normal tomorrow, 86. Winds are now moving in from the southeast, providing a slightly warmer breeze than that northerly wind we've felt the past 48 hours, but they're slower, 10 miles per hour at their max. I told you, if you're looking for that summer heat return, you're going to get that. Just shy of 90 on Thursday, 88 on Friday. That front swings in, brings in rain, brings in storms, knocks us down Saturday and Sunday. If you have weekend plans, perhaps a Bengals game, I would say get out those orange sweatshirts. It is going to be a little bit chilly out there in the 70s. We warm back up early next week with more sunshine. And as we wrap up your extended forecast, one more thing to note, your lows getting a little bit chilly this weekend, down to the 40s.